An artificial intelligence robot lost control during a live demonstration in China, attacking engineers. This raises concerns about the safety of artificial intelligence in controlled environments. How far will these machines go when we lose control? Let's explore the risks and challenges of integrating robots into our daily lives. The video of the out-of-control robot went viral, generating memes and discussions. What seemed like a simple programming error revealed serious issues about machine control. Companies are replacing humans with robots in roles that were once considered safe. What if the robot is more efficient, cheaper, and even smiles with a programmed voice? In Germany, robots are replacing human workers in factories, while in the United States, you can print your own robot for $5,000. Technology is becoming more accessible and integrated into various industries. But are we ready to deal with robots that can be more efficient and cheaper than humans? It's a promising future, but also a challenging one. Hyundai is using Boston Dynamics robots to manufacture electric cars. They operate like humans, without changing the factory structure. The goal is to efficiently replace human processes. But are we ready for this revolution? And what if a robot decides it no longer wants to follow the rules? Chery Automotive in China is using androids as salespeople. These robots are already in operation in Malaysia, but the public reception is mixed. Imagine being served by a robot that offers water with carbon fiber fingers. Are they more efficient than humans? And what if they lose control, like in the recent incident? The robot that caused the incident in China was not a finalized model. During calibration, it lost control, causing chaos in the laboratory. The video went viral with over 100,000 views. This makes us wonder, how far can these machines go when they lose control? Safety needs to evolve quickly. The video of the out-of-control robot went viral, generating memes and comparisons with science fiction movies. The origin? A broadcaster from Belarus. The message is clear. We need to evolve our security systems. Meanwhile, new robots are emerging, promising incredible advancements, but also raising concerns about safety and control. In China, Pudu Robotics presented a robot that climbs stairs and withstands impacts. Clone Robotics, on the other hand, showcased a robot with synthetic tendons mimicking human muscles. The reception was mixed. Praise for the technology, but also concerns. After all, are we ready for robots that can do more than just smile and wave? Chery Automotive's robots cost the equivalent of a car and promise to deliver 220 units in 2025. With advanced sensors, this technology is becoming a present reality. But are we ready to deal with robots that can be more efficient and cheaper than humans? The excitement is great, but caution is essential. RoboMoran has generated a buzz on social media. While some applaud the advancement, others remain skeptical. The excitement is great, but so is the caution. After all, how far can these machines go? The divided reaction shows that, despite the fascination, the public still views all this with suspicion. In Germany, the robot Iggy is offered for testing in companies. If it works, the client can keep it and pay later. This demonstrates confidence in the product's efficiency. But are we ready to trust robots that much? After all, they can be more efficient, but they can also have their moments of malfunction. Iggy is a modular robot with 8 hours of autonomy using LiDAR sensors and 3D cameras for navigation. It looks like a high-performance industrial Lego kit. But are we ready to deal with such advanced robots? Security and control are essential, or we might end up with an out-of-control robot on our hands. In the United States, the Berkeley robot is an accessible and innovative project, available on GitHub. It encourages the democratization of robotics, but the online debate is divided. The innovation is undeniable, but are we ready to deal with the risks of having robots in our garages? Let's explore this potential. The Berkeley robot is a fascinating example of learning and potential. It learns to walk in simulated environments and applies this in the real world. Despite the limitations, the potential is enormous. Innovation is within everyone's reach, but are we ready for the impact on the job market? The inevitable question, how long until robots take over our jobs? Technology is advancing rapidly, and we need to be prepared. Imagine robots selling cars, building vehicles, and sometimes losing their minds. Subscribe to the channel to follow this story, and who knows, avoid having a robot ring your doorbell. We are at a critical point in technology where robots gain autonomy and replace human functions. The question is, do we still control this technology? Each advancement is a psychological test. Are we creating something we still control, or has it already gone beyond our reach? Let's continue this conversation in the comments.